Hi everyone, and just an update on the breeding season. So in my breeding season, we're almost halfway. Most of my pairs have given me one round already. I have a number of about 30 chicks, which I'm quite happy with. This time around, compared to last breeding season, most of my birds were more heavy variegated and South Greens. But this time around, I've got some colour in my room. I've got the light variegated. I've got some whites this time around. I've got blues, which I had a few last year, and the South Greens. And I've got two chicks at the moment that I'm hoping to get hard feathered cinnamon. So I've used a South cinnamon hen with a hard feathered variegated cockbird, but he's also a cinnamon carrier. So I've got two chicks from that pair, and I've got fingers crossed that I do get, a good quality type of Gloucester, but also a really nice colouring as well. So I hope everyone in Australia are having some luck with their birds, and yeah. So all right, guys, it was just a quick update, and I'll update you in the second round of birds, and also we got some big things for season 2 next year. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, have a good one.